Okay. Okay, what are you, an idiot? You did something like that. Haven't your parents told you? Don't imitate what you see on TV. And you're stupid enough to do that? I mean, come on. I'd expect that behavior from a little kid. I'd expect that. I'd like expect that from someone retarded, but not a kid. Not a kid who is 10 years old. One, 10 years old. Two, fifth grader. And three, has friends around him. Kids, you shouldn't have buried your friend in sand. And your friend shouldn't have asked you to do that. Have you ever heard the word? Have you ever heard the phrase, just say no? What are you, retarded? Can't, can't believe this. You did something that stupid, and all the rest of the Naruto fans have to suffer for your stupidity. I mean, come on, are you I can't believe you're that stupid. I mean, how does a kid get an idea that stupid? And what's more, you you're you're old enough not to do stupid shit like that. And yet you are stupid enough to do that. And then they have to replace an awesome show, Naruto, with a really stupid show called 16. What kind of idiot are you? You're probably really stupid to do that. Have you ever had uh, oh, this isn't the first time someone's gotten hurt watching anime. I mean, come on. The Pokemon episodes, flashing lights, they survived. That's an accident! Burying yourself in sand, that's retarded! Ugh. I can't. I don't know what's dumber. I don't know what's. I don't know what's more stupid. Asking your friends to bury you head to chest in sand, or your friends actually doing it. Idiots. I can't say I'm not sad for a loss like that, but I can't say I'm, but I really can't say that, I can't say it was an accident. Well, I can. It may have been a freak accident, but it was brought on by a stupid action. I mean, seizures caused by flashing lights on an anime show called Pokemon. That's an accident! Burying yourself in sand, that's asking for trouble. It's either suicide or homicide. But to me, that's just stupid! I know people with mental retardation who have more common sense than to do something that retarded. That's stupid. Ugh. I can't believe it. Idiot.